Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best motion sensor lights for cars. The Mlambert 4-pack motion sensor LED night lights. These cordless, battery-powered stick-on-magnet closet lights offer a perfect blend of convenience, brightness, and smart technology, making them an excellent choice for your vehicle or even home use. The Mlambert motion sensor light uses advanced PIR technology, allowing it to automatically switch on when it detects motion within 10 feet. But it doesn't stop there. The light only activates in darkness and turns off after 20 seconds of no movement, which is fantastic for conserving battery life. This thoughtful design ensures that you get illumination only when you need it, without wasting energy. Powered by 3 AAA batteries per light, these lights require no cords or complicated wiring, which makes installation straightforward and versatile. You can stick them anywhere using the included super strong 3M double-sided adhesive tape, attach them magnetically to any metal surface, or even fix them in place with the included screws. This flexibility means you can place the lights inside your car's trunk, under the hood, or on doors for safety and visibility. Each light delivers up to 35 lumens with 6 super bright SMD 2835 LEDs, providing ample brightness to help you see clearly in dark spaces without being overpowering. The cool white light they emit creates a crisp, clean environment whether you're reaching for tools in your car or lighting up a cabinet or hallway at home. The compact design measures just over 3 inches wide and tall, with a slim depth of under an inch, making these lights unobtrusive wherever you mount them. They weigh less than half a pound per pack, so they're portable and easy to reposition if needed. Additionally, the durable plastic and iron sheet construction with an anti-rust finish gives these lights a long-lasting build quality suitable for indoor use. The motion sensor switch is fully automated, no need to fiddle with buttons. Once installed, the lights sense when you're nearby and light your way. However, they won't activate if there's already sufficient ambient light, which prevents unnecessary power consumption during the day or in well-lit areas. One important note is to avoid placing these lights in areas with excessive heat or dust, as that can affect the adhesive strip's performance and cause the lights to slip. But overall, the installation options and reliability of the adhesive and magnets mean you can trust these lights to stay put in your preferred location. If you're looking for motion sensor lighting that is easy to install, energy efficient, and flexible in use, the Mlambert 4-pack offers great value and performance. Whether for your car, closet, stairs, or any dark spot around your home, these lights can add safety and convenience with minimal effort. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. Let us know in the comments what you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.